Hello class, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today, I'll be your teacher in General Mathematics, and we're going to discuss the lesson 5, which is all about rational functions, equations, and inequalities. So first, let us define those terms. Rational functions. It is a function with a form f of x equals to p of x all over q of x, where p of x and q of x are both polynomials and q of x is not a zero function, meaning this is a function involving fraction or ratio where your numerator and denominator are both polynomials. So polynomials is an expression consists of variables and coefficients that involves operations and non-negative integer exponentiation variables. So let's have an example for these rational functions. First, we have f of x equals to 2x plus 5 all over x squared plus 2x plus 3. So meaning this example involves your numerator that is a polynomial, also the denominator that is also a polynomial expression. Another example, we have y, the notation also for function, which is the same as f of x equals to x squared minus 10x minus 1 all over x plus 3. So now let us define the rational equations. So this time we are in equations. So these equations now involving a fraction expression in which the numerator and or your denominator or both of them are polynomials. So the solution for the rational equations are the value or the values of the variable that makes the equation true or that satisfies your equation. So let us have examples for rational equations. So we have three. First, we have 2 over x minus 5 over 2 of x equals to 1 over 5. So these are rational equations because it involves rational expressions in your equation. Another one, we have x squared minus x plus 5 all over x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. So this is an equation that is equated to 0. So this rational expression. Another one, we have 4 over 2x minus 8 equals to x minus 5. So this involves a ratio or a fraction of your expression, polynomial expression, and also a simple expression, polynomial expression. Now let us define what is rational inequality. So this time, this is an inequality that has a rational expression or the fraction expression in which the numerator and or denominator or both are polynomials. So the same as the rational equation, but this time it is an equality which involves symbols like less than, greater than, less than or equal, or greater than or equal. So the solution, or we call it solution set to rational equations, inequalities rather, is the interval or intervals which satisfy your given inequality. So let us have examples. So again, we have three examples here. First, we have 6x minus 5 all over x plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. So this is a rational, a fraction expression involving your inequality symbol. So this is a rational inequality. We have 3 over 2x minus 5 less than 1 over x. And last, we have 5 over x minus 3 less than or equal 2 over x. So these are examples of rational inequalities. Thank you class for watching, and if you have learned something, you can like, share, and click the subscribe button, and you can also click the notification bell to be updated on our next videos.